How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To chip in, Lily and Tom are organizing a neighborhood cleanup event. They're discussing the necessary supplies. I'm so excited for this event. Our neighborhood is going to look amazing when this is finished. I'm so glad we organized it together. So, we've got a list of the supplies we need for the cleanup event. Trash bags, gloves, and brooms, among other things. Right. It's going to be a great way to keep our neighborhood clean. But we should figure out how we're going to get all these supplies. Good point. Since it's a community event, I think we should ask everyone in the neighborhood to chip in for supplies. That's a great idea. I'll make a post on our neighborhood forum and let everyone know what we need. Quiz time! What does chip in mean? To break something? To contribute? To give an opinion? To interrupt? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To contribute. Phrasal verb secrets. Chip in can mean to contribute money or resources, but it can also mean to contribute advice or ideas. I'll chip in with some ideas for the marketing campaign. In this case, helps express the idea of contributing or participating. It suggests joining or adding to something. Phrasal verb extras. The word chip often talks about something that is small and round, similar to a potato chip or a poker chip. These chips have the appearance of coins, which is why we use this verb with money. From this, we can understand that chips or coins are the things that are donated. Again, we use in to express that these coins are going somewhere to create the total donation. Examples. Our coworkers decided to chip in and buy a gift for the boss's retirement party. If everyone chips in, we can finish this project ahead of schedule. Let's all chip in and buy a new microwave for the office kitchen. We all chipped in to help our neighbor with her moving expenses. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Cleanup event. A phrasal noun. An event to clean. Supplies. Things to help a situation. Figure out. Solve. Neighborhood forum. A place to send group messages. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.